morning children, this is Sujata, a teacher for your EVS subject. Welcome again to our lesson number 2, video number 2. Lesson number 2, video number 2. So please open the topic season. The topic season, lesson number 2. Now children, in previous class we have already discussed about the weather, definition of weather, and I have given the homework also. And most of the children you have done the homework also. Very good. Okay. In class 3, Shashwat Mishra, okay, Palak Divedi and Jivika and Sarika Saw. These are very good children. They have submitted their homeworks. Okay, children. So whatever I have given the homework, and always I am giving this homework. So you do in your copy. Okay, and in a WhatsApp, personally WhatsApp group only you have to send to the parties respective teachers. So children, in last class we have discussed already definition of weather. So let's pick up again. Weather. Weather is the condition. Weather is the condition of atmosphere. Weather is the condition of atmosphere around us. Okay, around the means it changes from time to time. Yes, the weather changes time to time. The condition of atmosphere changes time to time. But what is the definition of weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere around us. Yes, sir. That is only weather. But what is called season? The definition of season also I told you in last class. Okay, when the weather is same, remain almost same for over a period of time, means over a period of time, बहुत दिन तक अगर weather सेम ही रहता है तो उसको हम सीजन बोलते हैं. जैसे टाइप्स ऑफ सीजन में आ गया, वन इज स्प्रिंग सीजन. इन इंडिया ना, in India, in our we live in India, so most part of India have 4 seasons. In India there are 4 seasons. What are they? One is spring season, second is summer season, third is winter season, and fourth is rainy season. And most of the students, you know well that there are 4 seasons in India. What are they? Spring season, summer season, winter season, and rainy season. So children, let's go to know briefly about this particular season. Okay, first of all, spring season. Children, do you feel always in class 2 also we have read that in which season we see the greenery around us. Okay, we see the greenery around us. In which season the scenery of our nature is looking good, looking beautiful. Okay, every side only greenery. What is this? Yes, this is only spring season. Okay, children. So spring, in which month spring comes to our India? Spring comes to the month of February and March. Spring comes to the month of February and March. Okay, we feel this spring season in month of February and March. Okay, children. Now the trees grow new leaves. Okay, tree grows new leaves, and farmers plants new crops during this season. Farmers also growing new crops. Okay, किसान अपने खेत में नया प्लांट्स उगाते हैं, लगाते हैं, बीज रोपण करते हैं. Okay, they plant the seeds and they plant the crops also, new crops during this season. Okay, it comes in February and March. Okay, this 2 months. And spring season where the trees grow. Okay, looking green and green only. But animals and birds also. Children, do you know in winter season जब ठंड का मौसम रहता है तब क्या होता है कि कुछ बर्ड्स ऐसे रहते हैं जो कि ना सो जाते हैं. बहुत ठंड के कारण बहुत बर्ड्स जो पंछियां हैं वो क्या है, सो जाते हैं. विंटर स्लीप बोलते हैं उसको. तो जब स्प्रिंग सीजन आता है ना तो वो लोग उठ जाते हैं. एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स come out of the places where they sleep in the winter. जहाँ जब वो विंटर में सो जा लेते हैं ना, तो वहाँ से वो बाहर निकल जाते हैं. क्यों? For feeling the ब्यूटी ऑफ द स्प्रिंग सीजन. समझ में आया? स्प्रिंग सीजन का फील करने के लिए उनको अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज द स्प्रिंग सीजन ओनली द ब्यूटीफुल सीजन ऑफ द 4 सीजन. So they sleep during winter na. In spring days they now came out from the places where they sleep. Okay, so these are the days. Long days are long and as the night means night के जैसा वो days भी long होता है और night भी long होता है. Means days are as long as the nights. मतलब क्या है? नाइट और डेज बराबर का रहता है स्प्रिंग सीजन में. So children, what do you understand in spring about the spring season? Just I will tell you again. Spring season comes to the month of February and March. During this season, new trees are growing. Okay, and farmers also growing the new crops. Okay, of the particular land. Next. So spring season. Spring season is a beautiful season in nature. Animals and birds coming out where they sit in winter. From that place they are coming out to feel the beauty of spring season, beauty of nature. Okay children? So in these days in spring season, days and night as long as the same. Okay. Now come to the summer season. Now we will know more about the summer season. Okay children, first thing is in summer the weather is hot. You know that. Okay, we feel very hot in summer season, and always we know that in hot season we wear cotton clothes. In hot season always we used to drink cold drinks. Yes or no? Cold drinks and that नारियल पानी also we used to drink always. Yes or no? So ये सब क्या है? And we like to eat the ice cream also in the hot season. So there are many different kinds of food items also we used in summer season. Okay, as well as we use the different type of clothes also. So I will tell you again that in summer the weather is very hot, but like spring season comes in February and March, like that when the summer season comes to our India, yes, April, May and June. April, May and June. Okay, in these 3 months we feel very hot. Okay, so during these hot dry days our surrounding also dry and dry. Yes or no? So in that time we wear cotton clothes. It protects us from the sweat. पसीना से हमको वो बचाता है. हमारे शरीर से जो पसीना निकलता है, ओके, सो दैट द ऑब्जर्व करता है. ठीक है, कॉटन क्लॉथ जो है हम पहनते हैं हॉट सीजन में, इन समर सीजन, दैट द ऑब्जर्विंग द स्वेट, पसीना को सुखाता है. ठीक है, एंड कीपिंग अवे द हीट, हमको गर्मी से बचा के ठंडा लगता है हमारा शरीर. ठीक है, सो चिल्ड्रन, it gives us cool by observing the sweat and keeping away the heat. Now children, in summer season days are longer and nights are shorter. But in spring season, what we read, days and nights are the same, as long as same. But in summer season days are long. Okay, when we get up in the early morning 5 o'clock na, sun is coming. Okay, already sun is rising in the 5 or 6 o'clock. But in winter season, no. In rainy season, no. There is no sun. Okay. Now we will read about the summer season only. In summer season, children, days are long and nights are shorter. Yes or no? Now days are long and nights are shorter, but we use electric fans, AC and coolers to keep our body cool. What do we use to feel cool at home? And always now we use the cooler, AC, fans summer season only, not in spring season, not in winter season, and not in rainy season. In summer season only we use the fans, AC, cooler, yes or no, air cooler. Okay, these are. So children, it keeps our body cool and feel comfortable. ओके, ये हमारा बॉडी को ठंडा देता है और हमको कंफर्टेबल फील करता है. क्यों? हॉट सीजन में बहुत गर्मी लगता है. यस और नो? वी ड्रिंक कोल्ड वाटर आल्सो, आई टोल्ड, एंड वी लाइक टू ईट आवर फेवरेट थिंग. व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट थिंग? यस, आइसक्रीम. वेरी गुड. आइसक्रीम, वी लाइक टू ईट आइसक्रीम. यस और नो? डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लेवर. नाउ कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स आल्सो वी यूज टू ईट. एंड what is the most important thing which we have to drink? That is juice, fruit juice, different types of fruit juice. Okay, mango juice, pineapple juice, and orange juice. These are the juices which gives our body, which gives vitamins and minerals to our body and keep us healthy and fit. Okay children, and it gives water also. We have to eat more and more cucumber, more and more watermelon, because it gives us water also to our body. Because the more amount of water it is coming from our coming out from our body as a sweat. पसीना के जरिए वो क्या है, हमारे बॉडी से पूरा पानी, वाटर पूरा निकल जाता है. So we have to drink more and more water. So people from plains like to go to hill station to enjoy the cool and pleasant weather. अच्छा चलिए, ये समर सीजन में और क्या होता है, बहुत गर्मी चलता है, and that time also we get the holidays from our school also. There is no school, nothing, summer vacation. So always the people like to go some hill places, जैसे गोवा, स्विट्ज़रलैंड. ओके, इधर जाने के लिए पीपल बहुत ही लाइक करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उधर बहुत ही ठंडा लगता है, हीट से बहुत दूर है वो प्लेस, बहुत ही कूल प्लेस. ओके, सो टू एंजॉय द कूलनेस ऑफ द प्लेस, ओके, टू फील द कूल एंड कंफर्टेबल, दे यूज टू गो टू गोवा, स्विट्ज़रलैंड, different hill areas. Okay children, so let's come to again recap of summer season. Okay, once we will do about the summer season revision. That summer season comes to the month of April, May and June. We use cotton clothes. We use cotton clothes. And children, the food we eat and the way of live only. You know, the food we eat, the way of live in different types of season. जैसे समर सीजन में हम कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स पीना पसंद करते हैं, आइसक्रीम खाना, एवरीथिंग कोल्ड कोल्ड, ये सब नो, ठंडा ठंडा चीज़ें हम खाते हैं. ये अप्रैल, मई और जून के महीने में आता है. ओके, एंड इन दिस ड्यूरिंग दिस डेज, ड्यूरिंग दिस समर डेज, always people used to means they like to go to hill area for feeling the comfortable. Yes or no? For feel the pleasant weather. Okay, pleasant weather में खुशी खुशी वो enjoy करने के लिए, coolness को enjoy करने के लिए वो लोग जाते हैं. And we use the cotton cloth only in these days. And more important thing is we have to drink the fruit juice, children, which gives us vitamin and minerals, children. Now in these days are long than the night. Night बहुत छोटा होता है और days बहुत बड़ा होता है. Children, now we read about the spring and summer season. Now let's go to winter season. Let's go to winter season. Now कितना टाइम हुआ रे? So children, we have read about the two seasons. So today's homework is read about the spring season and summer season. And briefly you read that and write minimum 3 points about the spring and summer season. What is your homework? Write 3 points about the spring and summer season. Okay, children, only three point wise you have to write. And what you have to write first, in what month, in which month it is coming to our India, and what are the food items we used to eat in the particular season, and what type of clothes we wear in the particular season, and how the surrounding is, okay, in the during this season. So these are the things which we can get, which you can get from your book, okay, from your book only. First you read the book, understand properly, see the video again and again. After that you have to write by own only. Okay children, thank you.